Welcome to Pinvest TV, India's first real estate channel. Happy Raksha Bandhan. Pinvest believes in protecting customers, investors and traders with right education, so we are creating educational content for real estate sector enthusiasts. We do not recommend any specific products but can guide you to make right decisions yourself. Let's dive in the latest property news from Indian market. Macrotech Developers net debt rises 43.5% to 4,320 crore rupees in Q1 FY25. In a significant development, realty firm Macrotech Developers Ltd, known for its Lodha brand, has reported a substantial rise in its net debt for the first quarter of the fiscal year 2024-25. The company's net debt surged by 43.5%, reaching 4,320 crore rupees as of 30th June 2024. This marks a notable increase from the 3,010 crore rupees reported at the end of the March quarter of the previous fiscal year. The rise in net debt is attributed to higher investments in land acquisition and construction activities. However, the company reassures that the net debt level remains well within manageable limits, standing at 0.24 times its equity, comfortably below the ceiling of 0.5 times equity. Abhishek Lodha, Managing Director and CEO of Macrotech Developers, commented on this development during a recent analyst call. He highlighted that despite the increased investment in business development and construction, the company's strong underlying cash flows have kept the debt under control. Lodha emphasized that the second half of the year is expected to see a significant boost in both free cash flow and operating cash flow generation. Lodha also noted a positive reduction in the average cost of funds, which decreased by around 30 basis points to approximately 9.1%. On the operational front, Macrotech Developers reported a robust 20% growth in sale bookings for the first quarter of FY25, reaching 4,030 crore rupees, driven by strong housing demand. This compares favorably to 3,350 crore rupees in the same period last year. Additionally, the company's collections from customers increased by 12% to 2,690 crore rupees in the April to June period of FY25, up from 2,400 crore rupees in the corresponding period of the previous year. Looking back at the previous fiscal year, Macrotech Developers recorded a 20% growth in sale bookings, reaching a record 14,520 crore rupees for 2023-24, compared to 12,060 crore rupees in the previous year. We value your input. Your feedback shapes our content. Thanks for watching Pinvest TV.